friends, my name is Yogita, welcome to my YouTube channel. And so today I am going to do for part 2 cheese 2, cheese 2. So I already warned this stuff that it will not take a lot of time to heat. So you know that part 1 recipe, right? And so this is part 2. Part 2 is the last, and it will come out like a bread toast, really yummy. Man, I'm gone stupid. I told all of the secret. Oh man. And only you know my secret, okay? That I mixed kiwi, banana, salt, butter, sugar. Okay? So only you keep. Don't tell it to anybody. Yeah? Perfect. It's heated. We don't need this. Perfect. Now, mix it a little first. Yeah, could you see this? There's too much of light. I guess so. Yeah. That's it. Yeah, only take like this much, okay? We'll take this much. Take it very immediately or it will create a big noise, okay? I don't want that to happen to you all. Oh, this part. I forgot this part. Again put it. Let it this time take a minute. Perfect. It is done. Yeah, it's very good. Let's put the stove stick on. Perfect. In a low flame. Perfect. So we better perfect. Yeah. Now small cup is good enough. And we better take a spoon. I pray to God that it is nice. Yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Mine. My family. So that's it, guys. Bye bye. Hope you love my video.